Hello guys, in this video, I am going to show you the top 3 Omegle clone websites in 2026. First one is Omegle.fun. When you visit the website, you will see a simple interface. To start using it, you need to log in using one of these available methods. After logging in, you can change your gender and location, but some options require Omegle Plus. Once everything is set, just click Start Match. Choose your gender and hit Let's Chat. You can click Start Match again anytime to find a new person. Next is Omegle app.me. As soon as you open it, you will see an interface where you can start text, video or audio chat. You can also add interest tags to match with people who like the same things. The best part is you can select countries for free. Just search for any country, select it and start chatting. Finally, we have Omegle.com. This site lets you start both text and video chat. Just like Omegle, you can add interests and get matched based on them. One of the cool features here is the dark mode. Once you are ready, just choose video or text and start chatting. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.